After months of anticipation, the wait is finally over. The 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350 has officially been launched, and it brings with it some exciting upgrades while staying true to its legendary heritage. This iconic motorcycle has been a favorite among riders for decades, and the latest model promises to continue that legacy with improved performance, enhanced features, and timeless design. Welcome to Bike Rider, where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and insights about the world of motorcycles. Let's dive into everything you need to know about the all-new Royal Enfield Classic 350. Design and styling. Timeless elegance. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 has always been known for its vintage-inspired design, and the 2025 model retains its charm while incorporating modern touches. The teardrop fuel tank, chrome accents, and iconic round headlamp with an LED DRL give it a classic yet contemporary look. The bike now features new color options, including dual-tone finishes that enhance its premium appeal. The spoke wheels and retro-styled fenders stay true to its old-school DNA, making it a head-turner on the roads. Engine and performance. Smooth and powerful under the hood, the 2025 Classic 350 is powered by the refined 349cc, single-cylinder, air-oil-cooled engine. This motor delivers a balanced combination of power and efficiency, producing around 20.2 bhp and 27 Nm of torque. The updated fuel injection system ensures a smoother throttle response, while the 5-speed gearbox provides effortless cruising on highways. Whether you're riding in the city or taking it for a long-distance tour, this bike promises a refined and enjoyable experience. New features and technology. Royal Enfield has introduced several new features to enhance the riding experience. The 2025 model now comes equipped with a semi-digital instrument cluster, including a tripper navigation system for seamless GPS assistance. The USB charging port is a convenient addition for long rides. The updated suspension setup, with telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, ensures better stability and comfort on all terrains. Braking and safety. Enhanced confidence. Safety is a top priority, and the new Classic 350 doesn't disappoint. It features a dual-channel ABS system, ensuring better control during emergency braking. The front and rear disc brakes provide strong stopping power, while the improved chassis design offers better weight distribution for a stable ride. Price and availability. The Royal Enfield Classic 350, 2025, is now available in dealerships across India, with an expected price range of 2.10 lakh rupees to 2.20 lakh rupees. Ex-showroom, with multiple variants and color options, riders can choose a model that best suits their style. Bookings have already begun, and test rides are available at your nearest Royal Enfield showroom. Conclusion. The 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350 continues the legacy of its predecessors while bringing modern refinements to the table. It is a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, making it an excellent choice for both classic enthusiasts and new riders. What do you think about the new Classic 350? Let us know in the comments. For more updates on bikes, reviews, and riding tips, don't forget to subscribe to Bike Rider. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Ride safe, and see you in the next video.